up, fam? It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. So I don't know why nobody don't like to show how we take these things off. Well, probably because it's so nasty and so icky. We don't want you guys to know, even though we know that you guys wear wigs and you know anyway. I don't care. Okay, now I've tried a lot of different glues. Right now I'm using Ghost Bond glue. And even though it might say that it's water resistant, 9 times out of 10, it's probably not. I've tried so many different kind of glues, it's ridiculous. And they all have their own solvent or glue remover. But yet, you can still take it off with just what? Lukewarm water. Look, I got this solvent. This is for Ghost Bond glue. I have this solvent. I have this solvent. And you know what? I stopped using these. I stopped actually using these to take my wigs off about 3 years ago. Because I figured it was just a scheme for them to make extra money when you can just use water. So what I'm going to do now is I have a washcloth here. I just turned on my water. I know you guys can hear it. And I'm just going to drench the tip of my towel and start to take this off. So my towel is wet. You can see the water. So I'm going to get it right back wet. And all I'm going to do is pat it down. I know you guys know that these things come off of water. I know y'all tried to get in the shower or go to the pool to see if it will work, or just simply sweat it and that shit just started coming off. That's because it's not really water resistant. You're just going to wet it like this, all around your edges, everywhere that you have potent spray or gel or glue. And I'm just brushing back the baby hairs. I always do that. And don't ask me why, I don't know, I just do it, it's a habit. Like that. Put some water around here, and I'm just patting it. Just patting it. Wetting it real good, patting it. Now, after about 3 minutes, watch this. You see it? Pat it a little bit more. And then it just starts to lift up. And then you can just basically take your finger. Now, I don't want to show you the oogie part, like under there, but it's off. It's nasty, but it's off. Now, under here, I have my cap. And if you're really good at taking them off, you can take your towel, clean your edges off, and you know, if you didn't drench your ball cap too bad, you can actually just dry it and pop on another wig. We ain't gonna do that. I just want to show you how to take it off. But yeah, it's off. So I hope that was an informative video. Just try it. Try to just use lukewarm water on a drenched towel. Pat it a couple of times for a few minutes. Make sure it gets really wet, and just see if it lifts. That'll let you know if the company that you were supporting was lying to you. Stay tuned for the next video. So if you found this video to be informative, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up for courage to showing you this ookie.